Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is Unmarked Pursuit right here, speaking again. Well, I got my charger right now, taking it to the Automotive Super Center to go ahead and get it worked on. Coming to find out yesterday, man, I either had a radiator leak or a busted hose somewhere around there. One of the two. So I'm up here taking it to the Automotive Super Center place that did all my front end work, that worked on my Crown Vic and all the stuff. Real nice guys, real cool people. But I just want to go ahead and give y'all a good little quick heads up, man. I'm getting it towed here because it ran hot like hell on me yesterday, and I want to keep cranking it up and doing all the stuff, blow a head gasket or anything like that. But I'm just bringing it up here to let them check it out. See, it's the name of the place right here, y'all can see. As y'all see it, Automotive. Well, they do all the work. Give them a call, taken care of. The tow truck guy, he real cool people. I'm just trying to see where the hell they wanna try to go ahead and get it at. But let me go ahead and sign off right quick while I chat with them, y'all. Thank you.